saying this threat level is a 4 out of 5. They say life-threatening storms in the Midwest now moving east, possible tornadoes, severe thunderstorms, large hail, and flash flooding from Texas right up to Wisconsin. Major cities in the potential path of this: Chicago, St. Louis, Kansas City, then barreling east. Potentially the most severe of these storm systems this week. At least 28 confirmed tornadoes in 9 states already. Lee Goldberg has the forecast, and Mola Lengi is in the storm zone with the images already coming in tonight.
Tonight, violent spring storms firing up across hundreds of miles in multiple states. AccuWeather storm chasers out in force.
We are seeing a tornado at this very moment. There it is.
Chief Meteorologist Randy Brock from our Rochester, Minnesota affiliate, KAAL, tracking multiple twisters.
We have numerous tornadoes right now, at least 2 at the same time that have been occurring.
Multiple homes in the area hit. Roofs ripped off, trees shredded. First responders racing to the scene. West of Rockford, Illinois, reports of children trapped at a school in the town of Lena after a reported tornado there. At least 28 confirmed tornadoes already this week across 9 states, along with massive destructive hail and straight-line winds. Days of